Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm continuing with the job that I'm doing on Trevor, my Vauxhall Frontera, which for anybody who's missed it was to replace this very rusty, very rotten fuel tank cradle, as you can see, very knackered, with this one from a Isuzu Trooper. Now if you've seen the previous videos, you'll know what I needed to do was to swap the bracket, because they are slightly different on the Trooper. So I have removed the bracket from the Trooper tank, I've removed one of the brackets from the Frontera tank, and the next job will be to line it up on the truck, get it all lined up, make sure it's all correct, and then it'll be welded on as such. That will then enable this to fit in the truck and the tank can go back in, and job is a good one. Now the most difficult part of this job was actually removing this from the old Frontera thing. Even though the Trooper one is said to be much stronger and much better built and obviously lasts a lot better, the bracket on the Trooper one is actually only welded on down that side and that side. So getting this off of the Trooper one was actually quite easy. I just had to cut down that side, cut that side, and that was it. It was off. Whereas the one in the Frontera, oh no, that one is welded all the way around. So I had to cut it out, as you can see there, and then obviously that left that plate on, which I had to then cut it and grind it. Finally managed to get it off and got to somewhere near a decent finish. Now it's not 100% perfect. I've wire brushed it on the grinder, and I've used the flap disc and I've used the grinding disc to clean it up as best as I can. But bear in mind, obviously it was the better of the two. I could have used that one, but this one was better because it's still got more paint on it. It was very, very rusty, mine, but compared to this one, it was definitely the better option. So there we go, guys. So this is how you do the conversion from a Trooper tank to fit in a Frontera. So anybody who's got a Frontera with a very, very rotten one of these, if you can't get hold of a Frontera one, you can get one of these Trooper ones. They do tend to be in better condition, and this is how you go about modifying it to make it fit. So stay tuned, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and look out for the next video, which will show you it on the car, welded up and good to go. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See ya.